Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I'm going to have a look at doing the rollers on the front of this pallet truck today. They've seized up and I've managed to free them up again, but they really need to be replaced. It needs new bearings. The bearings for this are difficult to get, so instead it was cheaper, which is sad, but it was cheaper just to buy new rollers from the internet. They're kind of complicated to get out. These ones have been taken out already, so it's just a matter of loosening them up and getting them out. I'll put in some footage here of how hard I actually had to hit it to get them out. They were really seized, but you really just have to use force and like gingerly, so you don't smash up the castings. But I'll just proceed, and you can see how it goes. I've got a hammer and a drift and some gloves, and I'm hoping that'll be enough. Might put a bit of copper grease on it when I'm putting it back together. So there's a little roll pin on each one of these. Just one in this case, I think. So that's how easily they should slide out if everything's going to plan. These are special bearings with a kind of an offset on one side. The new ones don't have that offset, so I might need to use washers as well. And I'm going to coat up the faces of them with grease just to be sure that no moisture gets in. Well, moisture could still get in. The old one here, they were all okay. They all came free, but they're quite crunchy, which wouldn't really matter if you were indoors. This one here, the metal shields were completely rusted and it took me a while to free it up, so it's working now, but it's not much good. So I do need some kind of washers there. So I've got some washers from my stores. Let's put some copper grease on everything. The shafts, the pins are already pretty well greased from when they came out. It looks like it might only need one washer. So one's all it's going to get. So I can see this one going to the side, so I'll line it up before I tap it in. And so if they were to come out that easily, then that's how easy the job is, a 2-minute job. If however you've got to do a bit of work on it and really beat them out, well, it's going to take you a bit longer. It took me about half an hour, I would say, but a lot of that is learning how much force you need, so watching this video might show you how much force I've applied, and that'll help you out. The rollers are dirty now from my greasy hands, but that's life. I'm going to proceed next to put some grease on all of the grease nipples. There we go. Lots of grease with that one. Down here. It should come out both sides, but if it doesn't, not much you can do. In here, I'm looking down below. You can just see it coming out right in there. That little line of white there, that's it. So there's the grease. And in there. And don't see any over there, but that's okay. A lot's gone in there. I don't see it coming out, however. There we go. There they are. I do down here next. That's good. So this whole mechanism here, the mechanism here at the back is a bit rusty. This thing has been left out in the rain for quite some time. So I'll just put a bit of grease on that chain. That's the clutch release, that chain. So I'm pulling on the handle up above. Just get as much as I can in there. Put a bit in here too at the back. There's a little roller in there. What I've just noticed here is a big cloud of dust around here, and I have a feeling underneath that there's something else going on. Yeah. I don't know where to look for the grease coming out of this, so it's taken a fair bit. I can hear it coming somewhere. So it's coming out. It's coming out in here. That's cool. Grease and dust, that's fine with me. I thought something was a bit strange. I couldn't see how this round plate was getting any grease. And I found this. Hopefully this will fit. Just about. There we go. Oh, that's coming out the bottom as well. Good. Oh, that's a leaf. Okay. So there we go. Get a bit more grease onto this chain up here. Excellent. So a little bit of work, 30 quid for the machine, about 30 quid for the rollers, just under, and then a little bit of grease and a little bit of work. And I've got a BT, what may be a BT Rolatruck. Here it is, hidden in here. It's a Swedish BT truck. LHM230. There you go. Back to work and in service. Excellent. That's looking pretty sweet now. Happy days, new rollers. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later. My next job is to do some welding on this concrete mixer. Thanks for watching. See you later.